Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Shout Out Monday, the day that Starrylock and I promote YouTube channels in Lock Sport under 100 subscribers. Now at the moment, Starrylock's channel has been removed by YouTube for unknown reasons, and we are running hashtags bring back Starrylock again and Starrylock to try and get Starrylock's name noticed all over the internet so YouTube pays attention and gives him his channel back. So we hope it happens as quickly as it did last time. So if you can put those hashtags at the end of any comments you make on anyone's videos, in your content titles or descriptions, that is greatly appreciated on all platforms, all Locksport platforms all over the internet, Facebook, Reddits, subreddits, Discords, whatever they're called. Get the hashtag out there and let people know this has happened again. Luckily, Starrylock backed up their channel on odyssey.com. Find it at Starrylock, so you can still find Starrylock's videos there. The shout out later on today for Starrylock may be appearing on his second channel, which is called Stories Lost and Found, which I will leave a link for in the description below. Today's shout out goes to GKeyman565. What a cool logo. 2 dragons. Now GKeyman565 has 87 subscribers, about 11 videos, 2 years on the tube, and is a great participant in the lives that are on SE Lock and Keys, Dalps, Lockpick Patrolmans. You can find him popping up on the lives, and within those lives, great to converse with, wealth of knowledge, very happy to share his knowledge. When comments on your videos, very happy to share knowledge. A fantastic resource for the community, a fantastic member of our community. I have been speaking with GKeyman on lives for a couple of years now, and very cool person to hook up with. Let's check out the videos. Doing my techie stuff. Okay, now GKeyman does show locks and keys. That's what they're about. So they don't talk on their videos. So I'll just go to the About section and give you a look at that. So key control and other things, that's what GKeyman565 is about. They have an Instagram account where they post stills of locks, new, repaired and rekeyed, under at GKeyman565. So check out the Instagram locks because you'll find a whole lot more. But what I'd like you to do is check out the content on YouTube, make some comments, and let GKeyman know that we'd like to see more of those locks and keys that end up on Instagram loaded up onto YouTube. That would be really cool. So let's have a look at one of those now. It's the Yale Push Padlock disassemble. There you go. 10 seconds worth of video. That's all it is. Show short and sweet videos from GKeyman. So check out the content. Check out Starrylock's channel, Stories Lost and Found, and use those hashtags, bring back Starrylock again and Starrylock Check out odyssey.com at Starrylock. You'll also find Pocket Women at Pocket Women on Odyssey. You'll also find Panda Frog there, Bear's Back, and a few others. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.